I found an official way to get up to $175 in API credits for Claude Code. No tricks, no cracked software, no shady websites. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step setup that can help you to access Claude Code using AgentRouter API credits. I'll cover everything from creating your account and generating your API key to connecting Claude Code and avoiding the common setup mistakes that catch most people out. Watch until the end because one small step can make the difference between a working setup and a frustrating error. Let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
After watching this complete video, you can easily get $150 credit on AgentRouter without your credit card detail or anything. So here you can see I had already created a one account and I get $150 credit. And here you can see you can easily create API from here. Here you can see just click on this after logged in your AgentRouter account and simply click on this create token name or for your API key. Then here you can see token group. You can choose default and expiry date. Select expiry date of your API. Never expire, a month, 1 day, 1 hour. Or then you can also adjust your quota. Here you can see equivalent. If you had $100 credit, then you can limit it $100 or unlimited quota also available. And which model you want to use for this API. Here you can see just click on this Claude Opus 4.6, Claude Opus 4.7, Claude Opus 4.8, GLM 5.2 and ChatGPT 5.5. You can select multiple models at the same time also. Now simply click on this submit button. Now here you can see our API key is created and the API key name is video. You can adjust. Here you can see available model for this API and for this API available model Claude Opus. So by this way you can easily create API and use it anywhere. And for the base URL of AgentRouter is, here you can see just agentrouter.org/v1 is the base URL. You can use it in VS Code or OpenDesign or OpenCode anywhere. So first of all you need to create an account by my link. I'll give this link in this video description. Here you can see after refresh I got a continue with Google. You must have to sign up with your GitHub account, otherwise you will not get $150 credit. Now register through my referral link. Simply click on this continue with Google. Sorry, GitHub. Then authorize it. I had already logged my GitHub account, so that's why it's direct ask me authorize to AgentRouter. Now here you can see authorization successful and I got $175 credit balance in my AgentRouter and I can simply create API and use it. And if you want to earn more, then you need to simply, and if you want to earn more credit dollar balance, then you need to invite. Here you can see just go to personal center and wallet and invitation link. Here you can see just copy this link and promote it. If someone sign up with your affiliate link, then you will get a $100 reward in your account. So I will just give my affiliate link in this video description, so you will get $175 credit in a completely free. Here you can see this is my fresh account which is just created and I got $175. Now I can use this API dollar credit in anywhere developing my project, website, app or anything. First you need to download Claude Code. So just visit this link cloudcode.com/download and download it for your Windows. Here you can see I already downloaded, and this is the AgentRouter API token. Here you can see I already installed Claude Code, but we want to first uninstall Claude Code. If you had already installed Claude Code, then just remove your old software and reinstall it. After uninstall your Claude Code, reinstall it, and it's downloading Claude Code. Now again we need to reinstall, so let's wait few moments. First we need to clear the cache of Claude Code. This is the first step. If you had already installed Claude Code, then the another step is reset the application data. Simply reset your Claude Code application data. Now again open Claude Code, and here you can see Claude for Windows. This is the fresh Claude Code. Now we need to do some setting. Simply click on this burger, then go to help, troubleshooting, and enable developer mode. Click on this and click on enable. Now we are in a developer mode of Claude Code. Now again we need to go developer, and here you can see option configure third party. Click on this configure third party interference, and here you can see gateway base URL. Now we need to fill this. This is the base URL of AgentRouter, so simply paste the URL, then choose static API. We need to copy one API from AgentRouter. Now gateway auth scheme, choose mirror, then static API. Now we need to test a model. Click on this. Here you can see two model found, Cloud Opus 5 and Cloud Opus 4.8. Now scroll up and click on this test connection. Now here you can see green. It means we had successfully connect our Claude Code and AgentRouter. Click on this apply changes. Save and restart. Now here you can see we had successfully connect with our AgentRouter and Claude Code, but in your case it maybe does not work, so you need to just enable the co-worker. Click on this co-worker and click on enable button, then restart your computer. Let's chat with Claude Code. Here you can see our reply. Now let's test another message. Now you can see it asks personal, portfolio, business, or random. So you can build anything by Claude Code by the use of AgentRouter API. You can also switch model from Claude Opus 4.8 and 5, and you can easily select your desktop folder. Simply click select folder. To set up AgentRouter in a Claude Code, you must enable your developer mode in Claude Code software, and most important, if you had previously installed Claude Code, then clear your cache and restart, then reset app data. These two settings are important. Otherwise your Claude Code does not work. After enable developer mode, simply add third-party configuration. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolyster.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.